One, two, three, let's go! Hello, everybody. It's Joe, the Connector Kennedy, and it is Saturday, January 28th, 2012. Still nice and early in the morning here. It's been a great day so far. Looking forward to getting a lot done. This is my aid statement for today. Aid is appreciation, intention, and delegation, and I've added a couple little twists at the end. Today, my appreciations include, I am appreciative that I've started or restarted tithing 10% and saving 10% of all my income. Not a lot yet. We'll get into that a little later. I'm also appreciative that I feel nutritionally enlightened and in much better tune with my body. Things are going really well. Next item, appreciative of that there are good things happening all around me, and this is really fun, really fun. A lot of good stuff going on. I'm also appreciative that I'll soon be working out at a better gym that's cleaner and be able to use some more normal working out hours. Appreciation continued. I am very happy for a guy that I know named Tiger Budbill. He's part of Eastside Entrepreneurs, and he was on the TV show The X Factor with the people from American Idol. He did really, really well. I'm so proud of him, and he just released his first single, and they made a great video of it. It's got lots of great background pictures and scenes from Seattle. And you can see it. I embedded it on a post at BellevueBusinessJournal.com, so go take a look. And again, it's Tiger Budbill. You can go to tigerbudbill.com and download his song. It is really, really good. And it's also written by another friend of mine named Mark Haney of Half Pack Lot. On to my intentions. I intend to write out my goals and review them daily. I am going to be writing the Joe Abs Nutrition book during the month of February. I blog on luxuryfitnessfun.com, joeabs.com, and jackiecelebritygossip.com every single day, and a lot of other places too. I have a wonderful place to live with amazing views. Very, very quiet and private place, but the views kick butt. And I drive a brand new BMW 2012 Active Hybrid X6. It's a really cool car. You got to check it out. Excuse me. And I'm going to finish up here with my delegation. After one more hack. Excuse me. I am asking the universe and my subconscious mind to work together to quickly and immediately generate $5,000 by February 1st to help put out immediate fires and help me achieve monthly incomes of total of at least $10,000 a month. Things that I added to my aid statement today were included earlier. I restarted tithing and saving. And yesterday I made $80, so I am tithing $8 and saving $8 from yesterday. And today I hope I make a lot more money and can tithe and save even more. I'll give you a report tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Have a great day and do something to help somebody today. Take care.